just landed back home here in Chicago.
Oh, there he is. Why'd you spend 3 months away?
Georgie, you're home.
What's up? Hey guys. Dude, this tank looks really good. Hello guys, what's up?
Hello. Did you miss me? Yeah. His head is massive. Alright, so get this. We have to fill up the rental car with gas. These will just start pumping gas without you even paying. So you pay for it after you filled up your car, which seems bizarre. Alright. By the way, Australia has the coolest money. If you haven't seen it before, this stuff is freaking cool. Also, fun fact, their little coins are worth more than their...
Oh, dude, you don't need to flash on that money.
Their little coins are worth more than their big coins. Each of these tiny coins is like $2.
Watch your profanity.
And our flight just got canceled.
Canceled?
We've been sitting here for 3 hours waiting for it.
Bro, alright, hold on.
Shout out Tiger Air. Y'all suck.
I mean, what do you expect? It's Tiger Air. They're great. Okay, are we able to travel somewhere else instead? Are any of those in Western Australia?
If you do have any check-in luggage, please make your way forward to gate.
It's honestly almost better when Georgia doesn't plan things, because then he doesn't get ideas like this.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
Well, you were supposed
Hello,
to go
guys.
to the beach, but your flight was cancelled.
He's so mean.
But your boy's been looked after. Let's go. Like and subscribe.
Cora Fish 12G.
Let's go.
Alright, we made the airline put us up in a hotel, and they were gonna give us 120.
We didn't make them do anything. They put us in the hotel because they canceled our flight.
Whatever, same thing.
We made them put us in the
we
hotel.
busted down their door. We called the cops on them.
So we spent a total of $240 on this hotel room. This will be the nicest room we've stayed in the entire trip.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's episode.
Alright guys, we are now heading back to Bali, Indonesia to catch our return flight back home to the States. Our return flight is out of Bali, so we might be doing a couple things. I'm going to be speaking at Dear Lean's retreat, so we're going to be doing that in Ubud. And then I might also go visit a coral farm if we have time. So it's been nearly 2 months. No, it has been it's been 2 months. And we're pretty much heading home. With the coronavirus going the way it is, I mean, I don't want to be in a situation where I can't get back into my country or can't be with my family, whether I have it or they have it or anyone has it. Make decisions based off that. So we're going home. It's our final day here in Southeast Asia, so we decided what's a better way to spend our last day than at the beach here in Bali. So. Alright guys, it is our last day here in Bali. Found a quieter place here. Set this up. We are about to head to the airport to head back home to Chicago after 2 months traveling. Did I accomplish what I came here to do? In many ways, yes. We went diving in Indonesia, Thailand, and Australia. We saw all the different fish breeders in Singapore. We saw fish and coral import and export facilities. I got to learn so much about marine animals that I knew nothing about, like sharks, and bring attention to topics and parts of this hobby and industry that none of us even knew existed. We learned so much about the beginning of the aquarium trade. However, the aquarium trade is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There is so much more out there, and so much of it is undocumented. My job on this trip was to come here, find out more about all these different things and share it with you guys. And so I think I'm really proud of all the things that we got to do, the way we filmed it and the way we documented it. And yeah, I think we did a really good job. And in our 2 months time here, I think we learned a lot more about this industry. So much more than I ever thought. I think this is the start of an opportunity for me to dive deeper into this side of the industry. We wanted to keep going, but the virus has definitely kind of killed our mood and our desire to travel, for at least for now. And so I think the smart thing to do is to head home, collect our thoughts, and then maybe come back out or explore a different part of the world. So I've just scratched the surface and there's so much more out there to explore. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos, but I think it's time to go home. All right, guys, we're here at the airport in Bali, and how you feeling, Asher?
Well, we're about to head out. It's been real, it's been fun, but it hasn't been real fun. That is all.
Bars. Anyways, Asher is having a good time with this, but the coronavirus has become a very serious thing. Trump just banned all flights out of the UK. The Philippines just decided to shut down its airport, and so, guys, we're not really worried about getting the coronavirus. However, we are worried about getting stranded in a country where we don't know what the healthcare system is like and not having the opportunity to be able to come back home.
Masks.
Don't start a conversation with me, type 5.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. We're at the Qatar airport for our layover, and we're not even sure if we're going to be able to get on this flight because supposedly today they're stopping all flights. So, like, I'm still crossing my fingers that we get on a plane today. Otherwise, we're going to be stranded here. All right. Well, it looks like we're able to go back home. Alright, just landed back home here in Chicago. Now we're gonna see how long this screening takes.
Staff at Chicago Police shows the massive lines and crowds last night as people waited to be screened by agents with Custom and Border Protection.
You guys wanna be on YouTube? How long am I about to wait in the screening lines?
Probably not that long.
Probably like 20 minutes.
Sure,
Like
because-
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Are you sure? The lines look really, really long.
It's not that long today, you know. Welcome to Chicago.
Well,
I'm back.
thank you. I appreciate the insider information, so like and subscribe.
Period. Come on, let me do it first. Ooh, you're so tall.
Welcome back, Asher.
Look at me compared to him.
It's me, Mama May.
Good talk.
Good talk. Landed back here in Chicago. Now we're about to find out how long we gotta wait. You smell that, Asher?
It smells like freedom.
That smells like freedom. He's from the Bay, the real Bay.
That's it, man.
The Green Bay.
Like when we get picked up from the international. Alright, whatever.
Alright, so supposedly Yanni is picking us up. I haven't seen my brother in 2 months.
And it is cold.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, there he is.
What took you so long?
Why'd you spend 3 months away, man? You left me at school? I can't even go back to school. Get in the car.
What's up, Yanni? How's life? So what's the deal with school? They cancel school and stuff?
Yeah, so I was gonna drop out, but like they just canceled on us. It worked out perfect. I don't know, dude. I might just like start selling cookies.
Hey, Scooby. What's up, Melly? Hey, Melly. Oh, I think I just gave it to her. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I accidentally just gave it to Melly. She was so cute, dude. I couldn't resist.
Melly, you ready for Rona season? Yes, you are. 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 It's okay, dude. You have a good immune system, right? We're gonna beat it together. Going into self-quarantine. Let's go.
Yeah.
Follow procedures.
No, you're gonna need more than that. You're gonna need more than that.
No!
Alright, I'm going into the basement, and I will see you guys in 2 months.
Mom!
Georgie, you're home. Stay away.
You're the worst actor I've ever seen.
All right, let's try one more time.
Go.
I'm here.
Hey!
Go.
That wasn't
You're
bad.
not excited to see me, Mom?
Yes, but don't. I'm very excited to see you, Bisky. But George, stay 6 feet away.
What's up, G? Mr. Ted?
How is business?
Excellent, George.
Are you growing your hair back out, Dad?
He is.
Yeah,
Doesn't it look nice?
You're
He's
also
trying to feel young again.
I am young.
say that again, Dad.
I am young. What do you think I am?
Well, you're looking young with that cool polo vest.
All right, first order of business, take a shower. Done. Second order of business,
Disinfect all of our stuff. I might have overdone it.
third order of business is the Chicago style pizza.
What's up?
Look at him, he's like the fat version of Bane with that on.
And Yanni doesn't know if he goes to Drake or if he likes Drake. Hey guys, what's up?
We're gonna have to clean all these things.
Alright, so tell me about this tank. Dude, this tank looks really good.
Yeah.
So wait, so Nick and Chris have been coming over for like what, once a week or?
No, Nick was probably coming over once every other week. And it was great because he'd come down, he'd clean the tanks, do what he needed to do, and then he'd come upstairs and we'd hang out and just chill, which was cool. And then that lasted for like 2 hours, and then you go home. And then your dad would come out, yeah.
Hello guys, what's up?
Hello. Did you miss me? I don't have it. I don't think I have it. But if I do, I'm being quarantined down here. So you guys are gonna get it.
Hello. Oh my god, dude, they're so cute. Thanos. His head is massive. It went back to the way it was before, like when I first got him. Thanos, what have you been doing, bro? That thing, Thanos been working out while I was gone. Look at that head. He's got a massive.
Yeah. I wish he could tell me how he did it.
All right, guys, there's a lot to do. I just got home, and actually I'm feeling super overwhelmed with how much stuff there is to do. I guess I'm gonna be quarantining down here in the basement for a couple days, and this is good because it means I'll get to make a lot of cool videos on my fish tanks for you guys. Nick and Chris, and also Big George, good job. Thank you very much. You guys did a very, very good job taking care of the fish that I still have here in the basement. So yeah, not much has changed, but the world is kind of changing right now. So I'm gonna have to be down here, indefinitely. We'll see, but first, I do want to tell you about one final thing before I go. So I've just launched the channel membership feature, and this is really exciting because now if you go to my channel, you'll see a little join button. If you click that and you decide if you want to spend $5 a month, you're gonna be able to get a lot of extra bonus content for me. So basically what this is gonna include is extra exclusive videos, never before seen footage, the bloopers, the cuts. This is the reality of monsoon season. Basically all my footage that doesn't make the cut.
The best fruit I've ever had.
Guys, I had so much amazing content from the trip I was just on that never made it into my videos. Some good examples is like one of the nights, Asher and I, at midnight, we climbed a mountain to see blue lava. This was one of 2 places on Earth where you're able to see blue lava and fire. One of the coolest experiences of my entire life. We filmed the whole thing, but it never made it into any of my YouTube videos from the trip. There just wasn't enough time. So that's the first video I'm gonna be launching on there. I'm also gonna be releasing behind the scenes and even some member only live streams. Now don't worry, I'm still gonna be making all my regular videos totally free here on my channel. This is just something extra for those of you who have maybe been longtime viewers of the channel. You're interested in seeing a little bit extra of Coralfish 12G. If you're not interested, no worries at all. I did want to let you know that I am enabling the feature. You can go check it out. I'll put the link in my description. I've recently seen that only about 16% of my viewers are subscribed to my channel. So please, if you have not done so, make sure to subscribe. It takes a ton of time, a lot of effort and work to produce these awesome videos for you guys. So at the very least, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George?